Was you able to implement the portion that I tried to explain before we closed the previous session?
No, because once you close the
Okay.
annotation is gone.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now I can see. Okay, so what I meant here that you separate this and this and this in separate lines. So first we say integer r1 equal the first add, which is 1 and 2. Where is that? Here. So we remove that portion, remove it, and put it in a separate line like that. And then we take that portion, we also define a variable for that, r2, and we say this add 1.8 and 5.2. Yes, correct. And then r3, and we say integer, and we say the add 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I want the A. Yes, exactly. Yes. Okay.
Should I remove this also?
No, just copy it here. So we want a double A that was here equal R1 plus R2 plus R3. And then you print.
Oh, so I want this.
Yes.
Down here.
Excellent. Okay, but
I have capital also.
yes. Okay, now you can start running, please. So it's giving you an error. Please, can you deal with that error?
Oh.
Excellent. Good. Good. So now the most important part, I want you to create another 3 print statements before that print statement. And I want you to put inside them one R1, another print statement for R2, another print statement for R3. So it means that in total we will have 4 print statements. Did you understand what I say?
Yeah.
After line 17.
Yeah. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I see.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Can you do them? Can you add another 3 print statements?
For this separate or?
You come here.
Okay.
Press enter.
Yeah.
Okay, now do the first print statement. System.out with print line and
so,
then
then with the R1.
Yes.
Okay. Easier, I just copy this. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now you get the individual.
Okay, excellent. So now you are getting individual results
Yeah.
and you
Yeah,
are
I
printing
understand.
them. And when you are adding them, it results in 16. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I want you also to learn to do this, please. When you are printing, you're able to say R1 like that. This is the double
Mm.
quotation. This is the double quotation plus
Yeah.
R1. Can you add that line here? So this is a text.
Oh, okay. You want me to add the text one? Okay.
Just
Cool.
only do it for one. Equal.
Like that.
Yes, put equal here like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
Run.
Yeah, so we'll say R1 equals
Yes.
3.
So yes, when you are printing many lines to troubleshoot
Yeah.
your code, it will be more clear. Okay. So now let us continue. Let me share, please.
Okay, sure.
There is an important topic here. I know that this is slightly confusing, but yeah, this is important to understand. Please have a look at X here. Do you see X?
Yeah.
It have what is the value inside?
23.
Excellent. And then we define a method called strange. Can you look at the definition of strange? What are we doing inside the strange?
Right. We are so X plus 1. Okay. So it means
Okay.
it'll be 24.
And then we are printing, right?
Yeah.
And then we come here, we print X again.
Yeah.
But what? Okay. Can you see the output?
Yeah.
Yx here is 24, but when we try
Yeah.
to print it again here, it is still printing 23.
Because X now is 23, only strange X is 24. So you have to print strange bracket X, right, to get 24.
Interesting, interesting concept.
Like when they do plus X, you have to do the plus strange X, right?
Mhm. So it means that when we pass the parameter X here and then we modify the parameter, this does not affect this variable value.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if we have X in the RAM, this is the RAM, and we decided to store 23 inside the RAM, and then we pass X to strange. So he will copy that and he will make another place in the memory and he will put inside it 23. And then when he incremented the X here by 1, he is not incrementing. This is important. I understand that it's not yet very clear or have a deep understanding yet. I understand that, but we will improve that on the next classes. So see here,
Okay.
I am changing the value, but I'm changing it in the copy that belong to strange. So strange have a copy of X, but not the same X here.
Yeah.
So when you come to print X in the main method, it goes to print that one. And when you print it inside strange, so it prints the modified version of X, but not the original one. Does this make sense to you? Is it hard to digest and accept?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, good.
Yeah.
So this is when we are doing this kind of concept, this is called passing parameters by value. This is, I am passing x by value. Later on, you will see that with certain parameters, I'm able to take an input as a parameter, and I'm able to modify it. And actually, in reality, I'm modifying the original x, not the copied x. But this is later. That's why I'm telling you here, maybe you're not 100% digested. When you see that I'm able to adjust the real x here, but of course, this doesn't work with integer, doubles, and boolean. This works with different data types. Okay? Okay. Let me see here. Can you please, if you don't mind, can you do that example very fast in?
Okay.
So we are here using double, not integer, but it's almost the same concept.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Yeah, I just finished it. Now I'm printing. Oh, this I didn't put a. Okay. 33 return statement. Just missing return statement. And on
Oh,
like line 33 where I put a closing bracket.
then share your code with me. Let me see.
Okay.
Okay, let me see missing return statement. So in the code that you saw just now, actually we didn't write here int. We used void. If you use void, it will work.
Oh. There you
Okay. So if you
Yeah.
want to put here an integer like that, like you put before, you have to add the keyword return. You understand? Okay, good.
Yeah.
So let's continue.
Okay.
Can you find the errors here in this code? Consider
Okay.
this method calls and these definitions.
Okay. Second line, the add is nothing, there's no input. You can't put 4 and then 6.0 because it's integer and double, right?
Here,
For the yeah.
okay, yep, incorrect. So is that correct?
I'm not sure.
Okay, what about that?
I think so.
That's okay, right?
Unless we, yeah, that's okay.
And what about this?
Oh, this is wrong. There's nothing. No value.
Okay, and this is you're not sure.
I think it's correct.
Yeah,
Unless you need to put in.
no, you are correct. It's correct. No, there is no issue with that.
Okay.
So you are able to use it like that, or you are able to use it this way.
Yeah.
Also, both are okay, except that here he's passing a wrong data type. So
Yeah.
if he's passing an integer, it should be fine. So why is this an issue?
Uh, you have to declare first, right?
Okay.
For
Do you
X.
see any output coming or any return statement here?
No.
So if you don't have any return statement, you cannot print it
Right.
out. So please do me a favor. Don't do all this. Just this definition, write it on your own,
Yeah.
and try to execute that line. So you write only that line and that
Okay.
definition.
Okay. So I just put return print X, right?
I want you to just exactly that line and that definition.
Yeah.
Did you do them?
1 second. I got that bottom line, but now I'm trying to get that print X to work.
Mhm. Okay, then share your code with me, please.
Okay, sure. I just put return X on.
Can we set
Oh,
first,
okay.
first of all, can we read the
Yeah.
error? What is the error?
Void type not allowed here.
Okay, so
Oh,
can you just return X like that?
no.
Just put return X
Okay.
and run. Okay, now because we put here void, so he's not accepting that we're returning something. Remove void and put
Yeah,
empty.
correct. Okay.
Okay, now run.
But I'll still get unexpected. Oh no. Oh,
So now it works. Am I right?
yeah.
So it means that when you put the print X to be printed, he expects that the print X returns something. If your method here does not return anything, you are not able to do it. For example, you cannot put R equal print X. If this does not return anything, you cannot assign it to something. It will not accept it. The computer is dumb. It will not accept it. It also does not accept that you put it inside the print. The print wants something to be inside here, but this return void in the initial stage, so it does not accept it. That's why it gives you this error. Void is not allowed here. Really, it's not allowed. I'm not able to print nothing. You cannot tell the dumb computer print nothing. He does not understand that. This is give him an error. It make him hang. Did I make sense to you?
Yeah.
So if you remove the return here, if you remove the return and put back void, it will still give you the same error again. Void is not allowed here. Did I make sense to you?
Yeah.
Really? Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then let me share. Okay, so this is an exercise, I believe. Let's see if you're able to do them now. So I would like you to actually create that method. It's a double method. Sorry, it's a method that's called average. It returns a double. It takes two parameters, x and y, and do a calculation and return the average, which is a double data type. Okay, and then there is another method that is called slope, and this slope takes x1, y1, x2, y2, and it do some calculation to actually calculate the slope, and this slope return a double. Is it difficult to do? You're not sure?
No, it should be okay.
Okay. Are you able to start doing at least the average?
Okay. But how does but this won't give you the average one. Like this is just stating, like there's no printing, there's no nothing. What this is just stating
Yes,
that.
yes, because it's up to you what you want to put inside the average. If you want to get an average of two numbers, what are you going to do?
I'll do the x. I'll give a value for x, value for y, then x. Then I'll say the average is equals to x plus y over 2.
So it means that I'm able to put something like that.
Yeah. You need to bracket the x plus y.
Also can, yes, no, not an issue. If you even don't put a bracket, also is acceptable. So
Yeah.
it means that the point here, yes, it's true that this is like a mathematical formula, a simple one, nah, but
Yeah.
he's expecting you to know what to do to be able to produce the average. So if he giving you 3 numbers, you would divide it by 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you able to do that? It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. And are you able to pass 2 numbers to the average to check if the average that you are calculating is correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you start doing it?
Okay. Wait, so you mean to check? So I put like as the number, and then I put the formula to get the average. Then after that, you want me to check if my average is correct.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. But check how? Using calculator or check?
Yes. You also can use calculator.
Okay.
Also can.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
But even if you don't use calculator, also you pass 3 for x and 3 for y, and then you add both and you divide by
Yeah.
2. It means that okay, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So it's even
Yeah.
doesn't really need a calculator lah. So it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
How is the progress so far?
Okay. Something.
Would you like to share your code if you're facing an error, or you are able to handle it?
I think can. So I can just put everything in the method and then just call the method, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But what do you mean everything?
Means like the formula and the equation and the like integer and everything.
Yes, but the values you have to pass from outside.
Oh, okay.
You cannot put the values inside the method. The method is something
Okay.
abstract. It doesn't know
Okay.
whatever values you want to pass to it.
So like what I did with the
You can share it with the,
parameter.
yes, but yes, exactly, yes.
Okay. So I can do a scanner console also.
And you can put a scanner, or you can just pass it a value like same like you have done with the add just now. When you pass the add, you just put add 1 and 2, right? So you pass it
Yeah.
without even using scanner, which is also fine.
Okay.
Are you able to share the screen to confirm that things are working fine with you?
Well, yeah, I'm just trying to solve some. I think it's blocking my run. Okay, then. Just want to see what the error. Oh. Okay. Is that okay?
So,
Oh.
okay, now,
Oh.
okay. Interesting.
What is it now?
So missing a return statement. Read it here. Missing a return statement.
Yeah.
You put that
So
you
I need
return
to.
double, but you didn't return anything.
Oh. So I just want this to be void.
Okay, fine. But you're supposed to return, but okay, fine. Just make sure that so you will see that there is nothing come out of the screen, which is acceptable. So the thing is, when you do a double a calculation here, you expect to return something out to the user. The average, if you calculate something here secretly and then you return back secretly without printing anything or showing anything to the user, then there is no point. So always an average and so on need to, if you try to print here the average like that, can you put a print statement here?
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay.
try to run. Now tell me
Ah.
why void is not allowed here. You're not able to print it because your average does not return anything. It have to return something to be able to be printed.
Right, I see. So I
So
need this to be
double and
then I need to return. I can just put average.
excellent. Yes. Yes. Okay, we have a mistake here.
Oh, I accidentally.
No problem. Your ability to read the error messages is important, very important. Now, okay, it works. Perfect.
Okay.
You managed to make it work. Excellent work. So now you have a deep
Okay.
understanding of solving issues. Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Good progress. Thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah.
Then see you
Okay.
next
You too.
class.
Okay. Yeah.
Take care then. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye bye.